The world's most remote islands are home to some of the rarest flora and fauna. Some of these islands have species of plants and animals that are not found anywhere else, and which have evolved in a specialized way. In this video, we take a look at places around the world home to these unique ecosystems. Stay tuned. Sirbani Yas. Sirbani Yas is the largest natural island in the United Arab Emirates. Over the past 2 decades, the island has been transformed into a wildlife reserve by the late ruler of the United Arab Emirates, Sheikh Zayed. Millions of trees were planted and numerous animal species were introduced to the island, including gazelle, rhea, giraffe, and ostrich. The Arabian oryx, a species of antelope, is now extinct in the wild, but Sirbani Yas Island is home to a herd of over 400 who roam freely on the island. Mount Bosavi. Although technically not an island, Mount Bosavi is home to a unique ecosystem. Mount Bosavi is an extinct volcano in the Southern Highlands province of Papua New Guinea. A 2009 expedition by an international team of scientists and a television crew from the BBC found more than 40 previously unknown species when they descended into the mountain's kilometer-deep crater. They explored a pristine jungle habitat teeming with life that has evolved in isolation since the volcano last erupted about 200,000 years ago. Species discovered in this lost world included 16 frogs, at least 3 fish, several insects and spiders, a bat, and a giant rat, measuring 82 centimeters from nose to tail and weighing a whopping 1.5 kilograms. Mount Roraima. Mount Roraima is a tepui, or a tabletop mountain found in the Guiana Highlands of South America. The mountain is completely isolated from the ground forest, and almost 1/3 of the species of plant life on Roraima evolved there and are unique to the plateau. Mount Roraima was made famous in 1912 when Sir Arthur Conan Doyle wrote his fictional novel entitled The Lost World. It describes the ascent of a Roraima-like mountain by an expedition in search of prehistoric plants and dinosaurs that were believed to live isolated and unchanged for millions of years on the mountain's summit. Socotra. Socotra is an offshore territory of Yemen. It's a small archipelago of 4 islands in the Indian Ocean. The largest island, also called Socotra, is about 95% of the landmass of the archipelago. The island is isolated and lies some 240 kilometers east of the Horn of Africa and 380 kilometers south of the Arabian Peninsula. The long geological isolation of the Socotra archipelago and its fierce heat and drought have combined to create a unique and spectacular ecosystem. Surveys have revealed that more than 1/3 of the 800 or so plant species of Socotra are found nowhere else. Socotra has even been described as the most alien-looking place on Earth. Galapagos Islands. The Galapagos Islands are a small archipelago of volcanic islands belonging to Ecuador in the eastern Pacific Ocean. The islands are quite remote and isolated, lying some 1,000 kilometers west of the South American continent. The Galapagos archipelago consists of 15 main islands, 3 smaller islands, and 107 rocks and islets distributed around the equator. The Galapagos archipelago is world-renowned for its unique island ecosystems, which was the inspiration for Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection. Giant tortoises, sea lions, penguins, marine iguanas, and different bird species can all be seen and approached. Strict controls on tourist access are maintained to protect the natural habitats, and all visitors must be accompanied by a National Park-certified naturalist tour guide. One of Ecuador's greatest destinations, the islands currently receive an average of 60,000 visitors per year. Komodo National Park. The Komodo National Park is a national park in Indonesia, located within the Lesser Sunda Islands. The park includes the 3 larger islands, Komodo, Padar, and Rinca, and 26 smaller ones. The park was initially established to conserve the unique Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard. Since then, conservation goals have expanded to protecting its entire biodiversity, both marine and terrestrial. The Komodo dragon is the world's largest living reptile and can reach 3 meters or more in length and weigh over 70 kilograms. As a result of their size, these lizards dominate the island ecosystems in which they live. Although Komodo dragons eat mostly carcasses of dead animals, they are formidable predators and will also hunt prey including birds and mammals. Although attacks are very rare, Komodo dragons have been reported to attack humans. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.